Hello friends, a warm welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please support me as you have always done. So friends, let's quickly jump in today's video. So if you have recently listened to the news and if you are following the market today, you will see that there is a huge leap that market has taken today. The reason being a huge surplus of cash that was announced by our PM Narendra Modi yesterday. So it's like almost 20 lakh crore. That's the fund that's been issued. But where does this fund actually goes to? But definitely, when you look into how the funds will be utilized, the very first thing that comes to our mind is public sector. So definitely, if government is infusing fund, government is not going to infuse this fund into private sector companies, but definitely their first priority would be to infuse all this money into the public sector companies and make sure that all the public sector companies grow, and thereby also the people related to them grow here. So this video specially covers about top 5 public sector companies which you should have in your portfolio. That is as per my research and data points that I'll be sharing in. So I have all these 5 companies in my portfolio, and definitely I think these companies should be there in your portfolio as well, because they are very good dividend paying companies. And because government is infusing so much fund into the economy via these public companies, so definitely if you have all these companies, you will definitely be a gainer, and it will be a very good plus point for your diversification of the portfolio. So let's quickly see which are the companies, main 5 companies out of the whole list of public sector companies I'm talking about. So the first company I'm talking about is Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. The second company I'm talking about is Coal India. Number 3 is Shipping Corporation of India. Number 4 is Hindustan Copper Limited, and finally Indian Oil Corporation. So if you see that all of these companies are from different sectors, but most of them is into energy. This we have oil, we have copper, we have transport, and then we have coal and we have energy. So more or less they actually lead into the same common business platform, and these are the things wherein government is actually starting to ramp up and generate more and more revenue and workforce. So if we look into the fundamentals of these 5 companies that I've talked about, so starting from Coal India, the earning per share, if you see, it's like almost 29.31, and dividend yield is 10.33. So it gives a huge dividend as compared to other companies that I've listed here. Promoter holding is 66%. That means government is having 66% holding on this company. We have IOCL. IOCL, if you look into earning per share, it's like almost 13.86, and the dividend it is giving is 12.35. That is also very good. As I already mentioned, that public sector companies are always very good dividend paying companies. If you look into the promoter holding for this, it's again 50%. So if it is public sector companies, it is for sure that government is going to have more than 50% stake on the company. Then Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, the earning per share is not that expressive. It's not that huge. It's 2.07. But again, dividend yield is very good. So that is the reason why I'm saying is, if you have good public sector companies, the plus point you have is the companies are not that expensive. If you look into the price, it's like 74, 21, 23, 40. It's like almost 100, below 100. But the plus point is it's safe, secured, and the very good thing is the dividend that you will be getting. If you look into promoter holding of BHEL, it's like almost 63%, which is like almost 64%. Next is Hindustan Copper. Hindustan Copper earning per share is not that impressive, because it has not done very good in the last 3 to 4 years. But again, if you see among all the 5 companies I have listed, the company Hindustan Copper has got the maximum promoter holding. That means government is always looking into this company, and if there are any issues, this will be the first company where government will infuse funds into. Next one is Shipping Corporation of India. Here, if you look into earning per share, it's 6.14, and the promoter holding is 63.75. Dividend yield is not that impressive, but again, over the period of a span, if you compare last 2 years, 3 years, the Shipping Corporation of India has always given you a good return. If we calculate the prices as per today's like the change in prices as per today's current market rate. So when I'm making this video, it's like almost 3 o'clock now. So there's 30 more minutes to go for the market to close. But if you look into the effect that Modi is investing so much money in the economy, the effect is shown clearly on the public sector companies. So Coal India is now trading at 131, so it's like almost 4.65 rupees up, that is 3.67% up. Indian Oil Corporation 1.94, SCI is almost 9%, Hindustan Copper 7.35, and Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, it's like gone out of limit. It's like 23% almost. It's trading at, and traded quality, quantity as well as volume is also highest among all the 5 companies. So friends, the reason why I made this video is because these 5 companies I have in my portfolio, and I have been keeping this in my portfolio for a long period now. The only reason I keep them is these are very low priced companies which have got at a very low premium. But again, the plus point is it's a very good revenue generating company in terms of dividends, because if you have kept these in your portfolio, this is a steady income. You will keep getting dividends on a timely manner. So friends, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and colleagues. And I'll, as and when I get more subscription, it give me more encouragement in making and researching more data for all of you. But one thing which is very important, please don't just blindly follow this video and start investing. It's your money. If you make money, it's your money, and as I always say, if you lose money, it's your loss. So please do your own research and talk to your financial consultant or your guide, and then put your hard-earned money into the market. So all the best for your investing journey, and I hope I'll be coming with something important and useful as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Have a great evening. Bye bye.